In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can make money online by playing video games. Coming up. So you want to make money by playing video games, and this means by playing, actually playing, pure playing video games, not making content about this, not making compilations, not streaming your games. You just want to make money for playing games. You just want to get paid because you want to play some games. In the past, like maybe 5-10 years ago, this would seem to be impossible, but today, ladies and gentlemen, today you can actually make some money by playing video games, and I mean playing. And you can actually make quite a lot of money by playing on these games, and all this of course depends on your skill. You can be a very bad gamer. It all depends how you actually play some games. You can be some unique type of gamer that plays games so uniquely, and it can just increase your value by a lot. Right now I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money by playing video games. And before we'll start, I'm gonna give you a disclaimer. This is not making money with streaming video games. This is not making money by creating compilations. We're gonna create different separate videos probably for this. This is not related to creation of content. This is pure playing games. You're going to get paid by playing games. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. How we actually are going to do this is by utilizing a website called Fiverr.com. Before you will just jump with the pitchforks on me saying, oh, we know Fiverr, yeah, we've heard like 5,000 times, and it's not a really good way to make money. It is a really good way to make money. It depends on what you are actually selling there. If you have no idea how you can sell your playing video games on Fiverr, you are not doing this quite right, because a lot of people are killing it and are making a lot of money right now by playing video games. I'm just gonna show you right now. So let's just start by searching exact game, like let's say Fortnite, and let's see what people want with Fortnite and what they are actually paying for it. And as you can see, first things first, this guy Bean. Okay, I've read it right. He is a professional Fortnite coach. What he's saying that he's really good at Fortnite, and he is making he's selling like an hour of coaching session for $25. He's just teaching how to play Fortnite by playing Fortnite. He's actually playing a Fortnite and he's getting paid for this. Imagine this, if you could get paid $25 an hour to play Fortnite. This $25 per hour is a like really good wage in a lot of countries, and maybe in a lot of developed countries as well. Get paid like $50 per 2 hours and $70 per 3 hours. He's just sitting there and teaching all he knows about the game, how he actually plays. That's it. That's all he does. And he is having like a lot of 105 reviews, 5-star reviews, 105. That means that actually 105% at least purchased a $25 pack. So let's just use a calculator to see how much he actually made. So let's just calculate, okay? Like 105 at least multiplied by $25. So he made from this at least $2,600, and this is bare minimum. This is bare minimum, because trust me, far more people than that did not post a review to him. Far more people than that. I think that he would make just at least double of that just by playing video games. That's it, just by playing Fortnite. You can go and search this one, like you can see it with the Fortnite. There's a lot of, we can search for PUBG. Let's say if the PUBG will jump right there. Yeah, he's doing the Fortnite. I will coach you PUBG Mobile, right? They will hear this guy. I will play, like this girl is just playing, just getting paid to play with different people, and she's selling this one. She's selling this for $15 per how much? Per 1 hour? For 1 hour. $15 for 1 hour. And she is getting paid. She is the level 1 seller. I don't know exactly how much this means, but she's selling quite a lot. to be fair. To be like, you need to sell quite a lot. I think you need to sell a 50 or 100 to be a level 1. Just drop in the comments down below if you know exactly how much gigs you need to sell in order to get a level 1. But she is level 1 already. So she is just, she started only in September, less than a year ago, and she's killing it. She's doing great, and she's just making money from it. And what's most important, you can do that too. You're missing out on this chance. You can just post a lot of gigs there that you would play a lot of games with different people, and just say that you are very good at this, and just carry them on a Fortnite, carry them in the League of Legends, carry them in Dota, carry them in CSGO, and a lot of different games, and just make price like really low at first. And if you see that a lot of people are actually buying this one from you and you have a really high review, just increase the price, and this is it. And you are making money on Fiverr just by playing video games. This is an incredibly powerful thing for you, because if you're playing video games, you are playing video games even without this one, but now you can actually get paid for this. And this is an incredible great way for anyone, no matter who you are. If you play video games, you might just get money from it. Just post this gig on Fiverr, and you are going to make some money from this one. If you know just how to make a little bit of content as well, of course you can make far more from Fiverr by making an actual content. But just by playing video games, you can actually make quite a lot of living from this. So this was it for today. Thank you for being with me. I hope this was helpful, and I hope this was a bit different from the other types of video. This is the really good way actually to start making money online, for any age, for anyone, for anywhere. So this is the great way to start making money online, and I highly suggest, if you're playing video games, just go and use this one for your advantage. In the future, we are going to make some videos about streaming and content making on video games as well, in order for you, if you are still playing video games, you could just make some extra money from it. So thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you in the next video. See ya.